So fake news, they broke up years ago. Ito nga ang naging hinaing ng mga netizens sa inilabas na recent post ng TMZ, na isang entertainment news organization sa Amerika, patungkol sa mga celebrities na nag-celebrate ng Chinese New Year. Ayon nga sa caption ng kanilang post, Lunar New Year is officially underway, meaning, it's time to celebrate the Year of the Snake. Swipe through our gallery to celebrate with the stars, and find more pics at the link in bio. Dito nga, ay napansin ng mga netizens ang lumang picture ni Kim Chu at Sian Lim, na talagang ikinainisan at ikinadismaya ng mga netizens. Ayon nga sa iilan nilang komento, TMZ is not doing their research. Laughing out loud. Pic 4 is an old photo of a Filipino celebrity couple, who broke up years ago. I'm sure, their respective partners won't be happy if they spend Chinese New Year 2025 together. Laughing out loud. TMZ, Kim Chu and Sian Lim aren't together anymore. So how can they celebrate together? Hahaha. So fake news. Kim Chu is not with that guy anymore.